Good afternoon everybody. Well, we're come for a day out at Clearwater Beach today. It was a good 2 hour and 20 drive, and then it's taken us way longer to kind of get a parking space. Anyway, we've got some, so we're going to go and go to the beach. By the way, the parking prices here are ridiculous. Anyway, what can you do? You've got to pay it, haven't you? But I think it was about $30 for each car. So $60. It's like going to the parks and paying the 25. But anyway, we're all starving. We're all really, really hungry because I've not had any breakfast this morning, but the kids have, and my tummy has been growling the whole way. But anyway, we are ready.
We are ready to go. We're ready to run. So we've just been to the shop to get some lunch, dinner bits and some drinks. And the kids have got some bucket and spades. And a band, well, musica. The kids are all just playing here. Casper's there. And then we've got some, look at April. You enjoying it, April? And we've got Archie there. Bonnie, Heidi and Leo are just there. They are loving it. It's a paraglider right out in the distance. I don't know if you can see. But I could just sit here all day and watch these guys play. They're loving it. Just being in the water. It's really warm. They're so cute. It's nice and warm, isn't it, Bonnie? That bit of the water's lovely and warm. Wow, what have you, well, good job, Casper.
Beautiful. Quite cold.
Yeah. Wow! Whoa, wait, look at all them shells. Have you just got them out of the sand bit up there?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then I
get the bucket and wash them in it.
And now I'm going to move the door.
You're burying your shells, darling, be careful. Yeah? Oh, that's a good one. Right on the top. Are you going to do like a moat round it?
What?
A moat round it? Dig it out?
Oh, yeah.
Look at them. They are just loving life.
Max, you want to explain what you've done here?
Huh?
You want to explain what you've done?
So we built a channel because, as you can see over there, the water's getting real close to our stuff. So we're trying to drain it out. We had it drained out, and then a big wave came, and then
Filled it up.
and then it filled up.
So basically, it looked like that, didn't it, to start with? That bit of sand.
Like that, and we've made it into this.
And we-
It's
Yeah,
actually
just
really
take your
deep.
stuff in.
Like,
I know there's a big hole there.
that's how
But it's
deep
worked,
it is.
doesn't it?
That's how deep it is.
Is it? I reckon it took, what, half an hour to dig?
Yeah, it's taking out one each. But we're still doing it. That much keep digging.
As fast as it can empty, it fills up. Look, here we go again.
It's good to be placed on people's laps.
It's kept you busy for the last hour or so, I must admit.
Yeah. Why is the bubble gone purple?
No. Go on, hold another one up, Casper. Casper, hold another one up.
No, give me a bigger one.
You hold one up, I hold one.
Oh, it's coming.
Oh! No!
It You dive bombed him. Look at them. Mine. Tell you what's going on here.
You get your bees.
Katie's having this thing put in her hair,
And
isn't
you
she?
get it
Braid.
wrapped in your hair.
Okay.
I'm kind of
She's picking what colour? So what colour have you gone for?
This one.
The pink.
Yes.
Pink and white, that looks it.
I'm really sweaty though.
Sweaty Betty. Whoa, that is pink.
Go for the lighter one.
Really? Now they're going for bright pink. It's up to you, I don't know, I'm joking. You go for whatever you want.
I think bright pink. Okay. Actually, no, yeah, we go for the bright pink.
Is it candy floss?
How many can you go for? I'm going to go with those. Are you getting those?
Do you need some more?
Yeah. We need some more pink and white.
Some more pink and white, she says.
Is it that one? Yeah. Or the bright one? The bright one, yeah. And then what if I get henna instead?
I'm on vacation right now.
That was quick, wasn't it? Amy, it looks like that thing you have in your bag at
Oh,
all.
I know. Emily.
Is that called Emily?
It's called Emily, then I've got Brad.
Have you got another one?
Emily and Brad, yeah.
Oh, it's both.
No, I've got Emily and Brad.
You got two?
Yeah.
Oh, have you?
One's male.
I haven't seen that one.
Yeah.
No.
He scares Daniel. No, you can actually only see the eyes. I've bleached his beard, but he's a bit patchy.
Next week. And I leave tomorrow.
So this is quite a good area. There are all the bouncy castles over there, but I don't think any of them are working. One of them's a walk one, the big freestyle one in the middle. That's a wet water slide, but it's not working.
Do you like it, Dad?
Oh yeah. Oh, made the lady very nice.
Do you like it? Don't you feel it, Tilly? Oh, okay. It's very pretty.
It's nice actually.
Cheers.
Right, shall we have a look over there, see what's over there?
Yeah.
Oh, I know where we are. This is where we tried to park before.
Yeah, this is the pier. This is
Yeah.
like the main bit.
I see. Right.
So this is, I'm guessing, the main bit.
Wash your hands.
Ferris wheel. Wash your hands. And then there's like loads of bouncy castles this
I
side.
think this must be more busy around in the evening, mustn't it?
Yeah. I wonder what it's like when it's like their summer.
Hot.
That rocket one. You get your tickets round there. I don't know how much it is for this bit.
Go and find out.
Yeah. And then more of the beach.